Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Yes, me there again, my people. Manners and respect to each and everyone. Blessed to everyone. You see? Yeah, so I'm going to present a certain amount of videos to you in this video that I've been talked about on social media. And let me start off with this video that I'm looking at on this screen right here. So first up, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when a motor vehicle that was being operated by someone went over a median. And there was a certain amount of persons standing at a certain spot who had to move when the bus was coming in their direction. See, now I find that situation to be very dangerous for your subscribers. You see me I say? And you know, I'm not trying to be disrespectful to anyone, but all I'm saying to each and every motorist, please try and use the road safely. All when you're in a parking lot, please just try and operate those motor vehicles or any motor vehicle that you're operating carefully. See, you can always buy a motor vehicle, but you can't buy life. And I'm not saying these things in any form of disrespect. Anyways, viewer discretion is advised for this video. Look, observe, and tell me what you think about the situation. It's not really a long video. You can hear at least a certain amount of persons using Jamaican accent while talking in that video, my people. It's that situation is set away. You understand? That situation is set away. Let me move on to another topic. You see me I say, and you know, to each and every pedestrians, please be careful too, because you may never know. You just be careful, alright? Now here I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when a motor vehicle that was being operated by someone went off the road, and a certain amount of persons who was inside of that motor vehicle had been ordered by police from within the country of Jamaica to get out of the motor vehicle. I also got the understanding that persons who was inside the motor vehicle had been ordered by police to go down on the ground, or in my point of view, on the road or on the ground. I got the understanding that a certain amount of law enforcers was at the location, and that an assumption had been made that persons who were inside of the motor vehicle are young people. However, I don't have any confirmed information to determine any of those persons' age, nor to determine how many of those persons the assumption might have been about. I got the understanding that it is also believed that a certain amount of persons who was inside of the motor vehicle had been treated certain ways by police. And I also saw at least one other video posted on social media claiming to be about the same situation. According to unconfirmed information that I got, and I'm going to say allegedly, it is believed that the person who was operating the motor vehicle was driving reckless at least one point during subscribers, and that police think that persons who was inside of the motor vehicle was acting suspicious. I hear when a certain amount of persons said some words in the video that I've been thinking. And at least one person in the video said some words that also includes the word crash. See? Now, my people, I want to make it very clear that I don't have any confirmed information to determine if some words said in the video are accurate. I don't have any confirmed information to determine what exactly caused that situation like that. Alright, and please bear in mind, the viewers and subscribers, that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
Yo, watch it.
Yes, we do see so.
Crash to bomb. You need a camera so.
Crash, see the
See?
I go and nearly crashing on my car.
Like,
Yo, video that.
when them a move for brother,
Video that.
them should even run in the first place, brother.
Yo, video that there. Video your man a kick up your man them. Video it blow.
No man, they wrong.
Mash up your man car.
Brother.
Yeah, that situation is set away, you know what I mean? Again, I am not sure how certain things might have happened when it comes down to that situation there. I'm not able to confirm if some words are said in the video are accurate pertaining to the situation. However, I want to say to each and everyone, please comply with police, you know, once you get legal requests and so forth, and just be very careful out there, you see me, because there are a lot of things happening worldwide. I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a person. Now, based on some things that you can see the person doing in this video, I would like you to tell me what type of person you think this person be, based on some things that you can see the person doing in this video. The video shows when the person remove at least one part of the body from a window of the house. That's the understanding that I got from the video, so I'm just explain it as according to what I understand it. You see, the video also shows when the person picked up or was holding certain things, and I want to pay attention to the person's feet. A part of the video shows some things that happened when the person was putting on a pair of shoes, you know, and some things I see the person to make me feel wonder certain things about this video and situation, because it really look away. See, it really look away. But anyways, viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me. This really and truly look away, my people, and it's a big man that, you know, this is me I say, this the man head. Oh no, audio there to the video. Yeah, well, me not hear no sound in the video. Then I'm gonna say no audio to it. I don't hear no sound. See, but pay attention and look. The person look like the person gone from off camera at a certain point. Just keep looking. Pay attention to watch the way the person was holding. Okay. I wonder if I should speed up this. Oh, hold on. Look. See? Look on the things that the person hold. See that person drop the certain things on the ground? I put on that over there, so over that. This is what I want, people. So I can understand when a video like this has been posted on social media accusing this person of being a certain type of person. See, I look there. Look at the things that the person do. Well, I hope you take a good look at the video if you're in subscribers, see, and based on some things that you can see the person doing in the video, I would like you to tell me what type of person you think that person be. You meet me in the comment section and tell me what type of person you think that the person they be. Hey, I tell you, we live in our world here, see, man. Anyway, so I'm just start off with that video because, you know, that video they just basically shows a certain type of situation and you just look a certain way, you see me, and you know, tell me what you think. Me just start off with that video. I go up on a more different topic. Alright? Oh, if you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now, the next video I'm going to present to you had been recorded in Jamaica. And this video is going to show some things that happened when some law enforcers from within the country of Jamaica was pointing guns in the direction of at least one motor vehicle. In the video, me hear when a person said some words that also includes the words wrong car. I don't have any confirmed information as to how many person might have been inside of the motor vehicle that the person was talking about or might have been talking about. Anyway, the people. So, the video at one point shows when law enforcers was basically moving in a hurry I'm not sure what really and truly happened. Maybe some form of realization happened or so forth. So I say, but based on what we see in the video, I can assume certain things still. You can do the same thing if you want. You understand? Each to their own opinion. Free will, isn't it? So you can let me know what to think as well about a situation like this. You know, the video has been talked about on social media. That's one of the reasons why I present the video to you. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
Find it. Look how the man find it.
The woman is a woman. Why don't you crack a window to Jason?
You saw
Crack a window,
what?
Jason?
Look.
Wrong somebody. Wanna get tricked no blood? Wanna get tricked?
A wrong car.
Wrong car, what is a wrong car, man? Wrong blood car. Yo, come on them. Man, like some big waste, man.
A wrong car,
Wrong
brother.
car to
Them should apologize to the
all
man,
market
brother.
street them. What am I turn back? Piece of shit.
Don't take it traffic, man. Don't take it traffic.
Sure, them a
So, my people, here one question I'm going to ask you, because I don't know about nobody else, but that situation they look away, and you know, I think a situation like that can make someone feel away. I mean, how would you feel as a civilian if you find yourself in a situation like that? Eh? I want to say to each and every one, once police give a lawful request, comply. It is best to comply. Do not do anything to put yourself in trouble with the law or go make things too hard for you, because you see that situation there, my people? You see how that situation they look? I tell you. Anyways, my people, let me know what you think. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. In the next video I'm going to present to you, a person said some words that gave me the understanding that the person claimed or accused the police of doing certain things. Now, the reason why I said it like that, viewers, subscribers, is because I'm only going by what the person said in the video and listen to what the person said as well. So I said, so I want to make it very clear that I am not able to confirm if every word that the person said in the video are accurate. Oh, and I noticed that the person speak in a plural way at least one point of the video where the person talk about police. Oh, and I don't have any confirmed information to determine where the video will be recorded. Anyways, look at the video, tell me what I think, and viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with my people.
Yeah, what you going on? Yeah? You could tell me these things is fair. Yeah? What should these police doing, boy? What should these police doing, boy? Yeah? This is my family place, boy. This is my auntie place, boy. Watch. See them coming here, boy. See these police do, boy. Yeah? Broke the door. Watch. Broke off the door. Watch. What's going on in this place? Yeah, what the police them come and do in this place here, boy? Yeah? But the people want to live and stay comfortable, boy. Why people are harassing people, boy? Yeah, for no reason what all is them wrench out. But them really searching for, man. People can't live comfortable, brethren. Auntie don't even dead on the back here steady because the rain fall and set up, the woman must stay by his son. How the woman come and watch your rain on? What the woman come and what the woman plays, brethren? The woman, what the woman clothes there down there, what the woman walking jacket all there down there. Making joke here.
OMG. Yeah, me only listen to what me hear the person say in the video. You know, I mean, I go by what me hear the person say in the video. And in my point of view, what the person said, it gave me the understanding that the person claimed that police did certain things. So I ask some people, and you know, if those words are accurate and if those words are true, then OMG, set away. Notice me say if. Yeah, right, anyway, my people. I think here's where I'm going to leave it. You know, big up and respect to each and every one. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up. Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.